Nice to meet you, friend. We are here to discuss about the two complex and just puzzleful words, that is sensible and sensitive. Okay, so we are going to discuss about it. So first one is sensible. So it is a type of logical word. Okay, we can use it as a common sense word. Okay, it is relate with the wisdom and like prudence. Okay, and mindful when we are solving a question, okay, maths question, and we hit the idea about that question, so we can say that it is logical and full of common sense. And the other word is sensitive. Okay, it is relate with the sadness. Okay, when we ask a type of question which is not up to the mark to that people, that person, okay, we asked about his or her past, okay, and he or her got full of heart, then it is we can say to be easily upset. Okay, so never ask about the age of any women, okay, because they are very sensitive. So it is the major difference between the sensible and sensitive word. So please guys, stay tuned with this channel and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.